So it's really not so simple as placing the robot on a pedestal
Correct.
and putting it next to the machine. There's a lot of engineering and thoughtfulness that goes into making the application work.
Absolutely. It's a lot of engineering. It's a lot of upfront scoping and evaluation. It's ensuring that the customer is willing to make some of the adaptation that they need to in their day in and day out process. A recent customer where we looked at this, the robot was actually the easy portion of getting everything set up, implemented, ready to go. The customer ran into multiple issues where they had the press breakdown. Basically, this was a stamping press, forming press application where they had to replace a saw. They had to replace the control for a saw. They had to replace the control for the press. They had to modify about 10 dies just to be able to be set up and ready for these parts to be put into an automation fashion.